Well, look at this. Got back from my ride yesterday, and I got a bike kind of dirty. I don't usually get my bikes this dirty, but yesterday was a lot of fun, and I hope my buddy Roy doesn't see this. To be fair, Rapid Roy really didn't care too much if you get your bikes dirty. He just didn't like to get his dirty. He's been known to turn around when the road gets a little filthy, or turn around if the sprinklers are out in the road. He'll turn around and go a different direction. He ain't much on getting bikes dirty. The good part is, if you ever get a bike from Roy, I doubt a water hose has ever touched it. Well, in any case, I don't like getting my bikes this dirty, so I don't like to let them stay this dirty, so it's going to have to be a little brush up here today. So, see you later.